You've got some money to invest, and now you're stuck. Do you go all in on crypto hoping for huge gains, or stick with the stock market and play the long game? One is fast and risky, the other is slow but steady. Which one actually makes more sense for you in 2025? Hey, welcome to the channel, and if you're trying to build real wealth, not just follow hype, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe button and let's break this down clearly. No fluff, no bias. Let's start with the stock market, the classic route to wealth. It's what Warren Buffett recommends. It's what most retirement accounts are based on. And the truth is, it works. The S&P 500 has averaged about 7 to 10% annual returns over the last 50 years, even after inflation. If you invested $1,000 in an index fund like VOO or SPY 20 years ago, you'd have over $4,000 today, without doing anything. And you don't have to be a stock-picking genius. With index funds, you own a piece of 500-plus companies, tech, energy, healthcare, you name it. Diversification is baked in, plus you get dividends. You can reinvest them or use them as passive income. And with accounts like Roth IRAs or 401ks, you get huge tax benefits as well. That's a big deal if you're living and working in the US. Now, is it risk-free? No. The stock market does go down, like in 2008 or 2020 during COVID. But historically, it always recovers. That's why we say, time in the market beats timing the market. Now let's talk crypto, the wild west of modern investing. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. You've heard the names, you've seen the headlines. People becoming millionaires overnight and losing it all just as fast. No doubt, crypto is exciting. It's borderless, decentralized, and completely different from traditional finance. Bitcoin has outperformed every asset class in the past 10 years. That's huge. There are also real use cases: smart contracts, DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, blockchain transparency, and global transactions without banks. But here's the other side. Crypto is also unpredictable. We've seen crashes of 60%, 80%, even 90% within a few months. Exchanges like FTX collapsed. Projects disappeared overnight, and governments, especially in the US, are still figuring out how to regulate the space. So while crypto has insane growth potential, it's also extremely high risk. It's not something you want to put your entire net worth into. So let's compare them head to head. If we talk risk, stocks are moderate, crypto is very high. Regulation? The stock market is highly regulated, while crypto is still figuring things out. The stock market has over 100 years of data. Crypto has maybe 15. Stocks are more stable. Crypto is more volatile. Stocks can give passive income through dividends. Crypto has staking, but it comes with more risk. If you're looking for long-term wealth, a reliable foundation, and tax benefits, stocks are a no-brainer. But if you're young, can stomach volatility, and want to allocate a small portion of your portfolio for high growth, crypto can be a smart side bet. So here's what many smart investors do. And of course, this isn't financial advice, just a strategy that works for a lot of people. Around 75 to 80% of their portfolio goes into the stock market, mostly in low-cost index funds like VTI and some strong individual stocks. The remaining 20 to 25% is allocated to crypto, but only into coins with long-term potential, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. No meme coins. No pump and dumps. Just the solid long-term plays. And most importantly, never invest money you can't afford to lose in crypto. That's the golden rule. So, should you invest in crypto or stocks? Honestly, why not both? Build your foundation with stocks, grow your potential with crypto, but always invest based on your goals, your timeline, and your risk tolerance. Let us know in the comments. Are you more team stocks or team crypto? Or are you finding a balance between both? If you found this helpful, smash that like button to support the channel and hit subscribe for more real talk about money, investing, and financial freedom. This is your guide to smart investing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.